What's the meaning of Brobdingnag? Brobdingnag. Brobdingnag.
Brobdingnag. Brobdingnag. Brobdingnag is a term used to describe something that is colossal or gigantic, often in a metaphorical sense. The word itself comes from Jonathan Swift's classic novel Gulliver's Travels, where it refers to a land inhabited by enormous people. To many, Brobdingnag has come to represent the concept of extreme size and scale, and is often used to describe things that are awe-inspiring or overwhelming in their magnitude. In common usage, Brobdingnag can be applied to anything from towering mountains to sprawling cities, and serves as a reminder of the sheer immensity and complexity of the world around us.